Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys screen color problem on Samsung phone. Friends, we have this problem on your Samsung phone, so how to fix and solve the screen color problem on Samsung mobile. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. Friends, you can see when I use friends YouTube app, so friends you can see my screen show this interface. So how can I solve this problem on my Samsung phone? Friends, same problem you have. So how to solve? Friends, you can solve from your phone setting. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung mobile. So friends, scroll it and friends, click on Samsung phone accessibility setting. After on friends accessibility setting, friends, you can see talkback setting, spoken setting. Friends, click on visibility, and after on visibility friends, click on here current version, and friends you will have to off your current version from here. Friends, your problem will solve on your device. And friends, come back friends, now you can on friends YouTube app. Friends, you can see dark theme will automatic off, and friends we can use our YouTube app and guys any app without any color problem. So like that friends, we can solve color version problem on Samsung mobile. So like that friends, we can solve current version problem on Samsung mobile. And friends, you can solve this problem with shortcut setting. Friends, you will have to click on phone setting, direct friends click on search option and get search here COLOUR space IN. Friends, you can see color in version setting. Direct friends click here and you can solve. And friends, you want to use your current version, so you can on and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to solve color inversion problem on Samsung phone. So bye guys.